Welcome back to our channel, Animal Lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of giraffes, one of the most iconic and majestic creatures on the planet. Get ready to be amazed as we present to you 10 incredible facts about giraffes. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth? These incredible creatures can grow up to a staggering height of 18 feet or 5.5 meters. That's equivalent to 2 adult male giraffes standing on top of each other. Just imagine towering over everything else in the animal kingdom. But what allows giraffes to reach such extraordinary heights? It all starts with their incredible skeletal structure. Giraffes have long, slender legs that can be as long as 6 feet or 1.8 meters each. These lengthy limbs, combined with their powerful muscles, provide them with the leverage and strength needed to support their massive bodies. To ensure stability and balance, giraffes have adapted with a unique bone structure. Their leg bones are incredibly dense and contain an intricate network of blood vessels that help regulate blood flow. This prevents the blood from rushing down too quickly when the giraffe bends its head down, avoiding potential complications. When a giraffe needs to drink water, it elegantly spreads its front legs apart, lowering its head towards the ground. To prevent an excessive rush of blood to the brain, they have a series of valves and an intricate network of blood vessels in their neck called the rete mirabile. These structures regulate blood flow and prevent the giraffe from fainting when it raises its head back up. Giraffes have an extraordinary adaptation to their long necks. Just like humans have 7 neck vertebrae, giraffes have the same number. However, each of their vertebrae measures about 10 inches or 25 centimeters long. Talk about having a flexible neck. With this remarkable adaptation, giraffes can effortlessly reach leaves high up in trees that other herbivores can't access. The neck of a giraffe is not only long but also incredibly strong. Each of their vertebrae is interconnected by strong ligaments, acting like a series of springs to support and stabilize the neck. These ligaments are crucial in maintaining the balance and flexibility of the giraffe's neck, allowing them to move their heads with precision and control. When a giraffe bends its neck to reach down or drink water, these ligaments provide vital support. They act as shock absorbers, preventing sudden jolts or strain on the giraffe's neck. This adaptation is crucial because with their long necks, giraffes can be prone to potential injuries or overextension if not properly equipped. Interestingly, the bones in a giraffe's neck are not only long but also hollow. This unique feature helps reduce the weight of the neck while maintaining its strength. The hollow spaces within the bones are connected to the giraffe's respiratory system, allowing air to flow through and making their necks more lightweight and efficient. With their long necks, giraffes have the advantage of reaching food sources that are out of reach for most other herbivores. Their browsing height is usually between 10 and 20 feet or 3 to 6 meters above the ground. This gives them access to a greater variety of leaves and foliage, including the tender shoots found at the tops of trees. The ability to feed on leaves higher up in the canopy also offers giraffes protection from competition. While other animals, like antelopes and zebras, have to compete for food at lower levels, giraffes can enjoy a less crowded feeding niche up in the treetops. But it's not just their long necks that make them adept at feeding. Giraffes also possess a prehensile tongue that measures around 18 inches or 45 centimeters in length. This long and dexterous tongue helps them grip and strip leaves from branches with precision and ease. Giraffes have an incredibly unique and impressive tongue. Their tongues can reach lengths of up to 18 inches or 45 centimeters, and they play a crucial role in their feeding habits and survival. The giraffe's tongue is not only long but also highly dexterous and flexible. It is covered in a tough, thickened layer of mucous membrane, which helps protect it from thorns and rough branches while browsing for leaves. This adaptation allows them to reach deep into trees and strip leaves without injuring their tongue. Additionally, the texture of a giraffe's tongue is quite unique. It is covered in papillae, which are small, finger-like projections that aid in grasping and gripping foliage. These papillae, along with the muscular and sticky nature of the tongue's surface, enable giraffes to skillfully wrap their tongues around leaves and pull them into their mouths. Giraffes' tongues are not only used for browsing but also serve other important purposes. For instance, during social interactions, giraffes use their tongues to communicate with each other. They engage in a behavior known as tongue flicking, where they touch and interact with one another's faces and necks. This behavior helps establish bonds, reinforce social hierarchies, and even assist in grooming each other. Incredibly, the tongue of a giraffe is so strong that it can withstand thorny branches and even defensive actions from other animals. This allows giraffes to comfortably feed on acacia trees, which are armed with sharp thorns as a defense mechanism against browsing animals. So, the next time you see a giraffe gracefully reaching for leaves with its long neck, remember the incredible role that its tongue plays in its feeding and social interactions. It's truly a remarkable adaptation that sets giraffes apart from other animals in the animal kingdom. Did you know giraffes can go for weeks without drinking water? The ability to survive for extended periods without water is a valuable adaptation for giraffes, as they often inhabit arid and semi-arid regions of Africa where water sources may be scarce or widely dispersed. Their unique combination of water extraction from their diet and the ability to drink large volumes of water when available allows them to thrive in these challenging environments. They get most of their hydration from the leaves they consume, which have a high water content. When they do drink, they can gulp down an astonishing 12 gallons or 45 liters of water in one go. This helps them endure long periods without access to water sources in their natural habitats. Surviving in arid and dry habitats can be a challenge, but giraffes have adapted some remarkable strategies to thrive in these conditions. Their ability to extract moisture from their food allows them to conserve water and minimize their dependence on external water sources. Giraffes have a selective feeding behavior, choosing leaves that are not only nutritious but also contain a significant amount of water. In fact, the leaves of trees like the acacia, which are a staple in their diet, can contain water levels as high as 80%. This means that giraffes can extract a considerable amount of hydration from their food alone. To make the most of these water-rich leaves, giraffes have evolved specialized adaptations in their digestive system. They have a 4-chambered stomach that helps them efficiently break down and process their food. In the first chamber, known as the rumen, bacteria and other microorganisms break down the plant material, releasing nutrients and water. As the food moves through the digestive system, water and nutrients are continuously extracted and absorbed. This allows giraffes to maximize the benefits of the food they consume, including the water content. They have a highly efficient digestive system that helps them extract as much moisture as possible from their diet. Despite their ability to obtain water from their food, giraffes still need to drink to supplement their hydration needs. When they do find a water source, they can take in a substantial amount of water in a single drinking session. Their long necks and powerful tongues allow them to reach down to ground-level water sources such as rivers, lakes, or watering holes. Giraffes are not just remarkable for their towering height and long necks, but they are also incredible runners. Despite their large size and seemingly slow-paced demeanor, giraffes can reach surprising speeds when they need to. When in danger or during territorial disputes, giraffes can demonstrate their agility and speed by galloping at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour or 56 kilometers per hour. That's quite impressive for an animal with such long legs and a seemingly slow and graceful gait. One of the factors that contribute to the giraffe's ability to run at such speeds is their powerful leg muscles. These muscles, combined with their long legs, allow them to cover significant ground in just a few strides. It's incredible to witness the elegance and efficiency of their running technique. Giraffes have a unique running style that sets them apart from other animals. They move both legs on one side of their body forward at the same time, followed by the legs on the other side. This running pattern, known as a pacing gait, helps them maintain balance and stability while in motion. Their long legs provide them with a longer stride, allowing them to cover more ground with each step. This efficient running technique helps giraffes escape from predators like lions and hyenas, giving them a better chance of survival in the wild. Another fascinating aspect of giraffes' running ability is their incredible leaping capability. Despite their size, giraffes can leap up to 10 feet or 3 meters off the ground while running. This vertical leap not only helps them navigate uneven terrain but also serves as a defensive mechanism against predators. Giraffes have one of the longest gestation periods among land mammals. The journey from conception to birth for a giraffe is a remarkable one that spans several months. On average, the gestation period for a giraffe lasts around 14 to 15 months. That's over a year of carrying their unborn calf inside them. This extended duration sets them apart from many other animals, where gestation periods are often much shorter. The reason behind this lengthy gestation period is not entirely understood, but it's believed to be related to the complex biological processes that occur during giraffe development. Growing a baby giraffe to such impressive heights takes time, and their slow reproductive rate reflects this unique challenge. During this lengthy gestation period, the mother giraffe undergoes numerous physiological changes to support the growth and development of her calf. Inside the womb, the baby giraffe experiences a remarkable transformation, gradually developing its long legs, neck, and distinctive features that make them instantly recognizable. When the time finally comes for the birth of the calf, it's an extraordinary event to witness. Giraffes typically give birth while standing up, and the newborn calf comes into the world with quite an entrance. They drop several feet to the ground, as the fall helps break the umbilical cord and kick-starts their first breath of life. Within just a few hours of being born, a newborn giraffe calf is already able to stand and walk. It's an incredible display of their natural instincts and the result of their long gestation period, which allows for advanced development even before birth. During the early stages of the calf's life, the mother giraffe provides constant care and protection. She guides her newborn, known as a calf, and helps them learn essential survival skills, such as finding food and recognizing potential threats in their environment. The prolonged gestation period of giraffes is not without its challenges. It places added demands on the mother's body and requires her to navigate potential dangers while carrying her young. However, this extended period of development is crucial in ensuring that the calf is well prepared for the unique challenges of life as a giraffe.